Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we are going to see how to install Google Chrome on Debian version 11.4. Google Chrome is a fast and freeware web browser released by Google that autofills options to help the user to do searching instantly. This tutorial will help you with the installation of Google Chrome on your Debian machine. Before installing Google Chrome, add a repo list on apt source list by using following command. Now the repo link has been added. Now save and quit the file. Now download the key for Google Chrome by triggering the following command. Next, add that key by using apt key command. Now update the key with the help of following command. Once the key is updated, install the Google Chrome Stable Edition by invoking apt-get install command. Now go to the activities. Search Chrome. Click OK. It started. Type google.co.in on the address bar. You can search your favorite sites through Google Chrome. This is the steps to install Google Chrome.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com And if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.